Love comes in all forms, and so do the taste of romantic TV shows. Some people like true romance, some like rom-coms, and some other like to cry a whole lot. Luckily, you can find all of these feelings inside just one anime show. From comedies to tear-jerkers, there's a romantic anime out there for almost everyone. If you're looking for something to watch on Valentine's Day or any other day of the year, so this video is for you. Because in this video, I'm going to give you guys the top 10 best romance anime series to watch ever. So without any further ado, let's start with our list of top 10 romance anime. On the 10th number, the anime name is Maid-sama. The charming rom-com stars the tough and independent Misaki Ayuzawa, who sets an example at her high school as a strict and no-nonsense school president. The school only recently become co-ed and Misaki is surrounded by boys. But she also works at a maid cafe. And one day, her classmate Takumi Usui discovers Misaki's secret maid life. To put it simply, all kind of hilarity and awkward but earnest teenage romance comedy soon follows in this anime. And the fans of shoujo genres don't want to miss this one. On the 9th number, the anime name is Kaguya-sama Love is War. This anime started in 2019 and it is still currently going. The next season is just going to come out in 2021. This anime is one of my favorite rom-com animes ever, and it is very popular too. Set in a prestigious private school, this anime contains some of the most highest IQ romantic comedy and romantic encounters. The class president is Miyuki Shirogane, and he is the second best student at the school. Behind is the brilliant Kaguya Shinomiya. They have a huge mutual crush, but they are too proud and stubborn to make the first move. So they try to trick each other into making the first big romantic gesture, and it's so much fun to watch in this anime. The plot is very unique and they have thought about it in a very unique way, and throughout the whole series, Kaguya and Shinomiya are trying to trick each other and trying to make other one to confess their love. On the 8th number, the anime is Toradora. Toradora is one of the school comedy and romance animes. It tells Ryuji's tale, who is nothing near to his delinquent appearance. Same is the case with his neighbor, Taiga, who is feisty for her size. Resting on the appearance are the deceptive themes. The two neighbors help each other with their respective crushes, but before they know it, they fall for each other. If you are in for the long haul, Toradora is a special treat because it shows how love brews over the time. On the 7th number, the anime name is Nana. Nana Komatsu is someone every girl resonates with, in one or another way. In her post-adolescence, she tends to fall in love without caution. On this occasion, Nana chases her boyfriend Shoji Endo, a musician. She boards the same train as Nana Osaki and also the musician traveling to Tokyo. The two Nanas being the gel quickly, what starts as a casual conversation turns into a bond of affection. As the two women becomes roommate and we see day-to-day hurdles begins to affect their friendship. On the 6th number, the anime name is Fruit Basket. It was released in 2019 and it is still currently going on. This is a must-watch series for any fans of shoujo anime. And guess what? There's more than one. In the early 2000s, there was indeed a Fruit Basket anime, but its visuals are now a bit dated. So this gorgeously animated remake was launched. The classic story of Toru Honda and the cursed Soma family is back and looking better than ever. And it has everything: people turning into animals, high school hijinks, intense drama and tragedy, great humor, and some of the best romance I have ever seen. So Fruit Basket is one of the most must-watch animes. On the 5th number, the anime name is Anohana, the flower we saw that day. This anime was released in 2011. Coming from the lead production unit of Toradora is another romantic anime. Anohana, the flower we saw that day, is a very differently thought anime. It combines the elements of supernatural and romance. It begins with Jinta Yadomi, a loner who plays video games all day, and he sees a vision of his long-dead friend Menma. As Menma frequents Jinta's life, he and his friends from the past reunites to lay her spirit in rest. This anime broaches on the subject of loss of the loved ones. Jinta Yadomi takes to the life of Rikyuls to cope up with the grief from the loss of the loved ones. On the 4th number, the anime is Nisekoi. If you are in the mood for light-hearted romantic comedy, Nisekoi is still one of my favorite. It follows two high school students, Raku and Chitoge, whose fathers run rival gangs. Raku and Chitoge kind of hate each other, but to keep peace between the gangs, their fathers decides that their children have to date, and Raku and Chitoge have to pretend to be boyfriend and girlfriend so all the hell doesn't break loose. Of course, Raku had a crush on a different girl, which throws a bit of a wrench in things. Nisekoi might have some harem DNA, but it's one of the few shows ever close to a genre where the protagonist is extremely likable. It's not hard to believe that both Chitoge and Onodera might possibly fall for Raku, who's charming in his own way. On the third number, the anime name is My Love Story. A lot of couples in romantic anime takes an entire season to get together. But My Love Story's Takeo and Yamato are not a normal couple. Takeo, an unusual main protagonist, looks like a Yakuza boss, so not a teenage girl's typical dream guy. But Yamato falls for him immediately. Of course, all of her friends think she is out of mind, so the dynamic between the couple and their friends become a crucial part of their shared story. Most importantly, My Love Story explores Takeo and Yamato's relationship as it grows and develops. This isn't another will they or won't they romance anime. It consistently delighted and hints all the favorite tropes, and that too without overdoing them. That means beach, Christmas and Valentine's Day episodes. It also has one of the cutest theme songs in recent years. Great for watching with the special someone. Of course, if you have one, or if you are like single like me, you know. On the second number, the anime name is Clan After Story. This is an after story to a critically acclaimed slice of life anime, Clan. As Tomoya and Nagisa graduates high school, their relationship crosses the extra mile. Tomoya, the fatal hero, is helped by Nagisa to lead a quality life. The couple takes life head on and their love grows deeper with the time. Fair reminder, Clan the After Story is stepped deeply into the tragedy. The true essence of Clan After Story lies in its music. Combine that with the fantastic animation. You will get why it stands on the number 2 on this list after watching this. And on the first number, the anime is Your Lie in April. Your Lie in April is a heartfelt story about Arima Kosei, a prodigal pianist whose career is messed up by a traumatic event. However, a chance of encounter with Kaori Miyazono, a free-spirited violinist, reignites a passion he thought has long faded. What makes Your Lie in April interesting is, for the most part, it doesn't focus on the romance between Arima and Kaori. Instead, it explores their complicated personal issues and uses this to bring them closer in a way that feels natural and authentic. Arima's destructive relationship with his mother and its lasting impact on his psyche and the dark cloud which surrounds him. When his finger touches ivory keys, the traumatic memories envelops and overcomes him to the point where he is unable to hear what he is even playing. Kaoi's infectious energy and tenacious drive to see him fight through the darkness becomes his guiding light. Together, they both learn what the music really means to them, and in time what they mean to each other. Your Lie in April is as much about finding what you love, and it is also about falling in love. And it is one of the most must-watch romance anime in your life. So yeah, that was the list about top 10 romance animes, best romance animes ever to watch. If you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I post daily anime content about top 10, top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, like this video, comment down below which is your favorite anime out of this list. And yeah, that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.